Are you a beginner? Are you a student that want to make money online? In this video, I'm going to show you a wonderful website that can earn you a whole lot of money if only you are willing to work. Now, this website I'm about to show you has been for quite a number of years, and it's very simple to do. All you have to do is to perform simple tasks for you to get paid, right? So I wanted to pay keen attention because I really know that I really believe that you really want to make money online. As you can see, this website has been existing since 2009 and this is 2022, and they are still ready for business, right? And they have been paying workers for over the years. And I also want you to understand that it's something that you can do. All you need to do is to have your smartphone connected to the internet and you are good to go. Now, if you have a system that's a PC, a computer, private computer, it will be better for you. But all the same, all you need to do is you come to this simple website called Microworkers. Microworkers, as you can see, work and earn or offer a micro job. So basically what you do right here on this website is you earn money by completing simple stuff. The first thing you can do is, as you can see, they are crowdsource your job. You can crowdsource your job. This is for advertisers, but we're not interested in advertisers, right? So we have these what advertisers will be presenting to us, but we're going to be making money. So two-step verification, rating, and all of this. So let me show you right away how you can do this. The first thing you want to do is you go to the registration session. Once you click on the registration session, this window is going to pop up. All you have to do is just to fill in these details and you are good to go. So permit me to fill in these details, then I will show you the dashboard. So I'm going to put in a random date of birth. Day. Then we're going to put in our email address. Confirm your password, put in your password. So I'm going to put in a password. So you might want to put in that. So I'm going to put in my country. So presently now I'm in Nigeria. So if you wish, you can tick this, but I won't recommend that you tick this because they are just going to spam you with a whole lot of messages. So let's leave this like this and continue. All right, we'll fill in our address. Let's just put in a random address. I'm going to put in a random zip code, okay? Okay, we have a city. Let me put in a random. Then you click on tick on this and submit. All right, password must be at least 3 literal rules. So 8 to 20 characters, minimum 3 literal rows, no more than 2 identical literals in a row. And let's put in a more complex password. And submit. All right, so there we are. We're going to verify the email. Your account has been created. The verification email was sent to that. So let's expect our email. So there we are. We have our email. All we have to do is to click here. So once you click this, it's going to take us to this page, and we're going to click here to activate your account. Right, so congratulations, your account is now active. You are logged into your account. Are you an employer? Right, create a new campaign. We are not an employer. We are not interested in that. Then all I have to do right now is just go to this section called jobs. Now this section called jobs, this is where you are going to make the money, right? So it is very simple. As you can see, you can do a whole lot of things. You can get paid by clicking, by transcribing, signing up. Just to sign up for a website, you get paid. More by downloading apps, by testing platforms, by sharing on social medias, you simply get paid. By downloading apps, you simply get paid. Now, these are the total amount you are going to be paid per task. So you are going to be paid 0.07 cents. We are going to be paid 7 cents for completing this, right? So let me show you an example of what you can do, right? So if you come to this session, you will see that there are a whole lot of things you can do. So to create an account on Instagram, you will be paid 8 cents, right? So let's imagine that you create multiple accounts on Instagram. You are going to make such amount of money, right? So what you want to do is you can just go ahead and click any of these. Says you have to sign up and you have to join Telegram. So you can do that and move out anytime. So this offer is almost getting finished, and this the orange buttons you can see here. So this is the total amount of offers available. The one on the right is the total amount of offers available, right? While the ones on the left is the total amount of offers that have been completed. And this is the total success rate. You see that this one tends to convert higher, so this one is recommended. So if you can create and sign up for Gmail accounts, this is dope for you. You can really make a whole lot of money by doing this. So let's open this up. So when you open this up, this is going to open. They say send SMS with text, activate to this number from your phone to verify your phone number. So basically, once you've done that, you are going to be given access to the job, right? There are some that doesn't require any verification. So let's click on this one. All right, it seems this one also have. Right, so let's go to another session called sign up. Let's go to sign up session. So we have the sign up session here. Let's see if this will help us. All right, so basically what this is just send activation. Oh, I get it now. You have to verify your phone number. All you have to do is modify your number, and once you've done that, you put in your phone numbers and you verify your number. Once you verify your number, you are permitted to do any of these tasks. Now, this session is where you are going to see the amount of tasks you have finished. As you can see, it's currently on $0. This is where you are going to see your withdrawal amount or the total amount of withdrawal. So this is where you can place your request, right? So you are not interested in making deposit because you are not an advertiser. So this campaign session is where advertisers put in their campaigns. This is where they can create campaigns. So we are not interested in that. So basically what you are interested in on is this is high paying jobs, right? This is the high paying jobs. For now, there is no offer available in my region. So just check your region to see if there's an offer available. But basically you can just come to this session and you can just filter it by most paying job. If you filter it by most paying job, you see this one pays you 3.1 cents to complete these offers. So as you can see, this one has less than 7 people to get completed. So you can do this. If you do this per day, believe me, you can really make some cool cash, free money online just with your mobile. You want to make money online, there are a whole lot of ways you can make money online, right? So all you have to do, just go to the channel or watch the videos on the end screen to learn exactly how you can make money online. You can earn up to $300 just by typing and transcribing.